He'll come. Pull him. Oh, it might be a mako. Instead of marlin and a fucking shark. Okay, try to... Yeah, they're coming now. They're coming now. Beautiful. Drag them back to the... Yeah, we'll get both of them.
Jaws, come on!
We'll take them both. Yeah, and I'll put